A family in Grays Harbor County is worried that the man accused of killing their loved ones about to walk free. The state had the murder charge dismissed, but as King 5's Drew Mickelson has learned, the man may be charged again.
The prosecutor here in Grays Harbor County on this case thinks he has found a way to keep Michael Trujillo locked up, which would make Armando Reyes' family very happy. We do want to warn our viewers, some of the video in this story may be disturbing.
There's not really a day where she doesn't talk or ask about her dad.
Armando Reyes had two little girls, Kensley and Nevaeh. Nevaeh, now 4, still remembers her dad.
She likes to do this thing where we blow up balloons and she writes on them and she sends them up to heaven for her daddy.
In February of 2022, Reyes was a housekeeper at Hoquiam's Oceanside Motel. He thought his cell phone had been stolen by a guest, and when he confronted the man, the guest came out with a knife, repeatedly stabbing Reyes. The two stumbled down the stairs. The guest struggled to put his shoes on before running away. Reyes died in the parking lot.
It was a relief when they told us that they have him in custody.
Reyes' girlfriend and mother were glad to hear of the arrest of Michael Anthony Trujillo, who was charged with the murder. But last month, after state doctors determined Trujillo was not competent to stand trial, the charges were dismissed. Hoquiam police and Reyes' family fear Trujillo could now be released.
Washington State could do better. This man is an evil man, and he can reoffend and will reoffend, and he's done it before.
My concern is he will eventually be released, and another community, another family will experience the devastating loss that we had.
If suspects cannot be found competent, the state can dismiss charges and the defendants can be released or committed to a state hospital. But that process has not started yet for Trujillo. So Grays Harbor County prosecutors say if he is released, he will be recharged.
So when he's released from the state hospital system, if he is, anytime in the future, the warrant and Hoquiam Police Department will be there to pick him up, to bring him back here to start it all again.
Armando left a family behind, who loved him and cared for him.
Armando Reyes' family just wants justice.
I expected him to come home, and I never got him to come home. This man took him away from my babies.
At this point, Michael Trujillo's fate is in the hands of the state's Attorney General's office. Due to privacy concerns, the AG's office cannot share any details about this case, but we do know there is a hearing on it scheduled for this Thursday. In Grays Harbor County, Drew Mickelson, King 5 News.